This faux stained glass hack has been life-changing for us and our privacy. We have had people just standing at our door staring into our house for 3 years, so I knew we needed a solution, which is why I found this. It's a sheet off of Amazon, $16. This is the style I chose, kind of cottagey, but they have other styles as well. Easy to apply. I washed my window and sprayed with warm water and a little bit of dish soap, and then I'm lining up my pattern, see where I want it. I thought this was kind of like a one and done, like you have one shot to get this right, but it peeled off while I was getting some tape. So I just sprayed more water, put it back up, and it was totally fine. So it's not really sensitive or anything like that. I am trimming off all the edges with an X-Acto knife, and then you're just gonna get out all your bubbles with a credit card or whatever. Now, here's what makes your window look even better is these lead lines. It makes it look a little 3D, makes it look super realistic, and then this paint stuff, I have it here, I don't know what it's called. It is made to make it look like it actually was welded in all of those points. So you're gonna put those on all of the joints and it's done. It's easy, it looks so good. People can't stare at you in your house anymore, and everyone tells me that it looks like it's always been here. If you like more projects, watch my no-sew lampshade video and follow along for more.